Hello. If you're looking for a promo code for the Aferiy battery brand, you're watching the right video. If you're looking for this promo code and the link, you'll find them in the description. I can't give it to you directly because sometimes the promo codes change. So if you want to be sure to get one that works all year round with the various promotions and that can be combined, I invite you to check the link in the description and use the promo code. If you use the link, you're almost guaranteed to get the best price. And why is it generally better to purchase directly from the official suppliers or original manufacturer's website, for example, rather than from large online platforms like Amazon? So maybe sometimes you'll feel like you're paying less for your product, but in the end, the warranty is better and the availability is better on the manufacturer's website. Because it's the manufacturer who manages their own stock, who has the products themselves, and who provides the warranties themselves. When you go through an intermediary, you might pay less, but you can't be sure the product is actually in stock. And on top of that, you won't get the best warranty. You'll only have the intermediary's warranty. So, Aferiy is a brand of solar generator batteries, like the ones we see quite often these days. It's a brand that probably offers the best price-to-watt ratio. It's the perfect brand for those who want to try out the world of solar energy. It's a fairly young brand that wants to break into the market and shake things up. And it has to be said that they make very good quality batteries, which allow you to try them out and think, oh, actually, I really like solar energy. The code can be used on all the brand's products, and on the channel, you'll find reviews of different batteries to give you a better idea of the product itself. There you go. I hope this video will be useful to you. And once again, don't hesitate to use the code to get the best deal. Thank you. Goodbye.